As teachers, we incorporate a multitude of pedagogical strategies and best practices to help our students learn. One of the tools that can help optimize learning is the incorporation of brain breaks into an instructional schedule. Brain breaks are intentional shifts that allow networks of the brain an opportunity to re-energize after a period of sustained learning. Studies show that students are distracted or unable to focus on a learning task up to 25% of the time they are in class. This is, in part, due to an overload of information trying to pass through the amygdala so that it may reach the prefrontal cortex of the brain, the area responsible for turning new information into memory. Think of this like being stuck in a traffic jam. When pathways are stressed or overloaded, new information cannot reach the intended destination. Brain breaks do not require a lot of time and can easily be incorporated into the instructional schedule. In the NUITEQ Snowflake Community, teachers can find a variety of brain break lesson activities. These physical, mental, and mindful lesson activities can provide your students with the intentional learning shifts needed to restore brain networks for optimal new learning experiences. This disco dancing spinner lesson activity will get your students up and moving by practicing some of the most popular disco dance moves. Add in your favorite musical tracks to enhance the experience. Another great way to increase oxygen and dopamine is this exercise cards lesson activity. Simply tap the card to reveal an exercise move. Add a timer or give your students a set number of repetitions to complete. If you're looking for a way to help calm the brain, try this mindful breathing exercise, group's lesson activity. Included in the lesson activity materials is an anchor chart with details for each type of breath work. Or help your students tap into some creativity with this Doodles card lesson activity. Students select a card in each row to determine the who, where, and what to use to create a silly drawing. Students can create their drawing on the provided worksheet, on scratch paper, or on a whiteboard or interactive panel. These lesson activities are available in the Snowflake community by searching Brain Breaks. They can be used in any K-12 classroom and all include a lesson plan with additional resources on the science of brain breaks.